Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. We're preparing for first year exams from the model paper of Federal Board. This is section A. Let's do it together and see if we can answer the questions. Acha, Gulrukh loves us like a mother and guides us like an unable teacher. यहाँ पे an vowel की वजह से an और a लग गया क्योंकि ये indicate करता है any mother या teacher, not specific. Specific होता तो हम the का use करते. Teachers are always known for their passion. Passion is what kind of noun? It's abstract noun. He could manage it all by himself. The type of pronoun himself is या reflexive होगा या emphatic होगा. अगर ये stress लेकर रहा है तो emphatic है, नहीं तो reflexive है. So it would be reflexive because it's going back, pointing back to the subject. So it's reflexive. There was enough space. Enough space क्या है? Adjective of quantity है ना? Quantity के बारे में बता रहे हैं. Why have you done all this? It's interrogative adverb. Why adverb का आंसर होता है. ठीक है? Just remember that. Why, where, when adverb का आंसर होगा. Adverbs के लिए questions होते हैं वो interrogative adverbs के लिए. Adjective के लिए which होगा. और according to the place they occupy हम pronoun और adjective को देखते हैं. Playing under such tough condition was not easy. The word playing here can grammatically be termed as verbal noun. अब देखें यहाँ पे it's a gerund है ना, लेकिन वो उन्होंने आपको verbal noun देके आपसे देखने की कोशिश की है कि बच्चे को पता है whether it's the gerund can also be called a verbal noun, और यहाँ participle की जगह उन्होंने verbal adjective दे दिया है. ठीक है, so you should know both the terms. अच्छा जी, let's clear this up and see what's next. I could not make out how to tackle the matter. That matter. The given sentence is, क्या है ये sentence? देखें, I could not make out how to tackle. अब यहाँ पे verb हमारे पास दो होने चाहिए अगर ये compound या complex है, लेकिन we've got just one verb. ये एक verb हो गया आपका पूरा. This is a verb phrase. How to tackle, और यहाँ पे आपके पास कोई verb नहीं है. Therefore, it's a simple sentence. She hopes that she will travel around the world someday. Those sentence illustrates the use of what kind of phrase clause. दोनों जब दिए हो तो आपको बहुत गौर से देखना है. अब clause के लिए आपके पास verb होना चाहिए. She hopes, यहाँ पे verb end हो रहा है और एक clause start हो रहा है. That she will travel. Now it's a clause. ये तो हमें पता चल गया, तो ये नहीं है. ठीक है, ऑप्शंस में आप पहले देख लें कि दिस इज नॉट द वन. फ्रेज नहीं है. अब इन तीनों में से कोई एक होगा. सो शी होप्स व्हाट नाउन का आंसर होता है. वी स्टेड इन अ हाउस नियर टू द कैनाल. नियर टू द कैनाल, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ फ्रेज और क्लॉज इज इट? नियर टू द कैनाल, इट्स नॉट अ क्लॉज. इसमें वर्ब नहीं है और ये आपको क्वालिफाई हाउस को कर रहा है. Which house? The one near to the canal. So it's a adjective phrase. Let's move forward. Laws were quickly passed so that the child abuse could be checked. Laws were quickly passed. Why? Adverbial. The resolution of the final outcome of the main dramatic complication in a literary work is called, आपको पता है literary work में आपके पास ये है plot. ये आपका exposition है और ये आपका rising action. This is climax and this is anticlimax and this is the denouement. So the final action is the denouement. I was so hungry I could have eaten a horse. What is this? This is hyperbole क्योंकि exaggeration है इसमें. The fair breeze blew, the white foam flew. अब यहाँ पे देखें F F F. और B repetition है, so it's an alliteration. The repetition of the same word or phrase at the beginning of a line. एक ही word या फिर phrases repeat हो रहे हो consecutive line में, that's anaphora. The waves winked in the sunlight. Waves are non-living. How can they wink their eyes? Wink कहते हैं eyes को झपकना. So this is personification. Next is read the given sentence and identify the correct adjective phrase पूछ रहे हैं वो कि कौन सा है. The cabin beside the lake. Which cabin? Adjective हमेशा आपको किसी noun के बारे में बता रहा होता है ना. So these words are telling you more about the noun. The cabin. Which cabin? Beside the lake. So the cabin beside the lake आपका adjective phrase है. Pick out the synonym for retrospection. Retrospection का मतलब है to reflect back, contemplate. The word opposite in meaning to the word tardiness. अच्छा, यहाँ पे बहुत important है, जब आप meaning देखें तो बहुत जल्दी ना करें, because sometimes they ask the opposite meaning. Tardiness. देखिए, laziness, idleness एक ही चीज है ना. This is the meaning to tardiness. So इसका opposite क्या है? Punctuality. Choose the option with correct spelling. Entrepreneur. This is entrepreneur. This one. And identify the example of complex sentence. Complex sentence, देखें कौन सा. I think about what I'm doing later in the day and I daydream. ये compound complex है. दो conjunctions है इसमें. I can't go back to school until I recover from flu. ये complex है. Until. ये आपका एक subordinating conjunction है. ठीक है. In the Civil War in America was a turning point. This is simple sentence. The dog is black, white, and brown. ये भी simple sentence. Okay, so this was all. और भी question papers हैं last year के, वो भी हम solve करेंगे. And remember that preparation is the key to confidence. Preparation is the key to success. So keep on preparing. Best of luck. Allah Hafiz.